dear students. Heartiest welcome to all of you in the life skill class. So it's been long that we meet, right? Hopefully you all are safe and sound. So without much ado, let's get started. So today the value we are going to learn through a very famous, very well-known story, and that is the importance of having high self-esteem. Now, students, before going any further, we must understand the term that is self esteem. What is self esteem? We must learn that in the first place. Okay. So, self esteem means having respect for your own self. You must have respect and love for yourself in the first place. Never forget, whatever you are, the way you are one of your kind, and have that confidence in you, and the sky is the limit. So there is a story here, and as I already said, it is a very famous story. Okay, so the name of the story is The Peacock and the Crane. So the story goes like this. A peacock was very thin. He was boasted about his beautiful looks. Every day he would go to the bank of a river. He would stand there and admire his own reflection in the water. So from this line we can find out the nature of that peacock. Okay, so the peacock was very slim and trim, as it is already written in the story, right? And he was very much proud of his beauty. We can say that he was self-obsessed and used to admire his own reflection in the water. And he considered himself as the most beautiful bird in the world. Okay, so let's move to the next page. He would say, just look at my tail, look at my colors in my feathers, look at me, I must be the most beautiful bird in the world. So students, as you can see, the proud peacock is admiring his own reflection into the water, right? And he is looking at his own reflection, and he is very much impressed and amazed by his good looks. Okay, so one day the peacock saw a crane on the bank. He looked at it and turned his face away. Then he rudely said to the crane, what a colorless bird you are! The feathers look so plain and dull. So what happened one day, the peacock came across a crane on the bank of the river. And the time he saw the crane, instantly the proud peacock turned his face away. He actually was not bothered about the crane. Okay. Then the peacock rudely said to the bird that he was a very colorless bird, and his feathers were very plain and dull, unlike the feathers of that proud peacock. The crane did not feel bad. He calmly replied, dear friend, your feathers are surely beautiful, and mine are not. But so what? With your feathers, you cannot fly very high, while my feathers can carry me high up in the sky. So, as the crane was very wise, so what did he reply? He replied that he was not bothered at all for the colorless feathers he was having, because He had the capability to fly up in the sky with the help of his colorless feathers that were plain and dull. That is why the crane politely replied to the proud peacock with confidence. With much confidence, he replied that he was not bothered at all, and he also told that he was very much happy with himself. Whatever he was very much confident about his capability. Saying so, the crane flew in the sky. The peacock was ashamed of his word. So, from this line, we can say that the crane was very, very wise. Though he was very much plain, and he was not that beautiful in comparison to that peacock, but he was very much smart and wise, and actually he was a very, very confident person. He had self-esteem, high self-esteem. That is why he replied to the peacock calmly, and ultimately the peacock understood his fault and was ashamed of his behavior. So, students, so from this story, we today learn the importance of having high self-esteem. Okay, so let me tell you, in our day-to-day life, we don't need anyone's approval. Okay, whatever we are, as I told you before, the way we are very, very unique and special in our own way, and you should never feel low about yourself, never disrespect your ability. So the moral of the story is, the more you will feel confident, the more you will prosper in life. So students, that was the story. That is the peacock and the crane. I hope you enjoyed the story. And soon I will be back with another interesting story. Till then, have a great day everyone. Bye. Thank you.